Okay, you're probably watching this because you're concerned about your drinking water in your home and you're looking for some type of drinking water system. And maybe you're confused. There are systems that are simply filters, and then there's reverse osmosis systems. And of course, the people that are selling the filtration systems are saying, well, these leave the healthy minerals in the body while eliminating the contaminants. And there is some truth in that. But with reverse osmosis, you remove the largest spectrum of contaminants of any water treatment process. So if you want the absolute best water, unquestionably it's going to be reverse osmosis. Now you might say, well, what about those healthy minerals? Well, if you drink a bathtub full of water a day, you might get 5% of the minerals that your body needs. Drinking water is not a significant source of minerals. Think about that for a minute. Drinking water is not a significant source of minerals. You get your minerals from your food you eat, supplements that you may take. So by my way of thinking, I like to drink reverse osmosis water because it takes out the largest spectrum of contaminants of any process. But maybe you don't like the taste of it, or maybe you just, for whatever reason, we've got also our Pure Edge drinking water systems too, in a 3, 4, and 5 stage that take out a very large spectrum of contaminants, including bacteria. So if you're just wanting a filtration system, then our Pure Edge system is going to remove things like bacteria, cysts, virus, chloramine, chlorine, lead, pesticides, things like that. But our focus has always been on reverse osmosis because we believe in that technology. In fact, everybody that works at U.S. Water Systems has a reverse osmosis system in their home because we understand what gives us the best quality water. Why should you buy a reverse osmosis system from U.S. Water when there may be systems that are $100 cheaper or $50 cheaper from other companies? Well, I'm going to give you a couple reasons why. Number one, all of our filters are made in USA. Most other filters from other brands are made offshore, Taiwan, China, and we just don't know the quality. Our filters are grooved to provide more surface area, better filtration, and our carbon blocks weigh more than the Taiwanese or Chinese knockoffs. Also, on all of our reverse osmosis systems, our final polishing filter uses quantum disinfection. Quantum disinfection destroys bacteria in addition to taking out VOCs and chemicals and things like this, polishing the water in the very last cartridge. So quantum disinfection is standard on every reverse osmosis system that U.S. Water sells. Additionally, our membranes aren't made offshore either. They're made in USA. Our U.S. Water membranes are made right here. Additionally, our reverse osmosis systems are assembled, they're built right here in the USA. I'm not going to say that all the parts are made in USA because that's just physically impossible, but it is built right here in the USA. We use the highest quality tubing. We use the highest quality faucets. We take great care to assemble these with American craftsmen. And on our Aquapurion and Cobalt ROs, we use John Guest inlet valves, John Guest tank valves. These are known as being the best in the industry. And if you're looking for the best, this is what you're going to find, and you're going to not wake up some morning and find that you've got a leak under your kitchen sink because it used a cheap fitting. Finally, our Galaxy system is our price point system. The Aquapurion and the Cobalt are both 3/4 tank to faucet, whereas the Galaxy is a 1/4 inch tank to faucet. Hopefully this is not too confusing. We've got a chart that compares all these on our website. But if you have questions about what's right for you, should you just look for a filtration system, or are you interested in a reverse osmosis system? We'll help you decide. Call one of our certified water specialists and we'll help you step through the process. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.